Right in front. I need scouts, by the way.
Scout, yeah, kill him.
Yeah, I need them.
Oh, Sega, I'm hiding. No.
I killed.
No, Sega shot.
That's a different.
No! Sorry, I gotta loot all these med crates. I might get a LEDX. You never know.
Yeah, if you played only this map, you can actually you get the full Tarkov.
Oh, what
you
the fuck?
You're lying.
Did anyone find water?
I brought water on me this time.
I just found another on accident.
I need to go check this ambulance over here. A
That
Cardinal
was-
Apartments.
That was funny.
Did you just kill player?
Headshot. Headshot. Whoa! Chill, bro.
What?
Don't ever say that again. Money.
The rich get richer. You just run across the street.
Fucker. Why am I stuck in ABS? What? Damn, I didn't need to do that.
Man, just get the fuck out of there.
Woo!
Did you die to a scat?